boxing episode because it's Christmas time and you can see that we've got lots of boxes coming in for the home sites. So let's see what we've got today. But first, remember to click the bell and subscribe. Now today's episode we're going to, I'm going to be wearing my NORAD shirt. If you don't know the story of NORAD, it is the Department of the Military, and somebody in their local town had made a mistake in a newspaper ad and put the NORAD's number to call to get Santa. And after the first couple, where they were kind of not understanding what was going on, they decided they'd better just have Santa there to talk to the kids, and it's become a tradition ever since, and that's why I'm wearing my NORAD shirt. But we're not going to see too much of it today because I also got a package from a friend of mine, Ashley Paulson, and she got me my brand new Trundlebed Tales apron, which I think is awesome sauce. And even though I don't normally wear an apron for unboxings, I thought I could wear it today so you could admire it while I unbox. And hopefully we'll get another In the Kitchen episode going soon. So that leaves us with this to open up. And this one is actually a little different. It's not an Anne, or it's not a Laura thing, it is an Ella Montgomery thing. And we got Through Lover's Lane. They were having a sale at the University of Toronto Press. They were doing free shipping from Canada. And to get free shipping from Canada is unheard of. It's always cost a whole bunch. The shipping is mostly the cost anytime, but to come from Canada, whew. But they had free shipping, so I got a couple books. If you like Ella Montgomery, who wrote Anne of Green Gables, Emily of New Moon, The Blue Castle, and there's chapters of my readings also on the YouTube site. The University of Toronto is sort of the one-stop shopping center for all their scholarly stuff on Montgomery. So this was Through Lover's Lane, Ella Montgomery's photography and visual imagination. So this is what we were always waiting for from Canada. Now, this one is from the Memorial Society. And the Memorial Society is in Smet. Let's see what we got here. We have a couple of things. First off, we've got some ornaments. Which are, this is their little town on the prairie. Ooh, that's not good. That's Farmer Boy. Wonder if they all say a little town on the prairie. That might be it. Okay. Well, we've got Farmer Boy. And this is a set of ornaments that they have. There was a metal set that all the home sites did together on. This China one is a set that Smet does on their own. This one is on the banks of Plum Creek. And the third one is Young Laura. Now, I already had quite a few of these, so I pretty much, this should bring me up to having the whole set. But they did one more this year that I did not get ordered, and it's got a tin cup and the penny and the sticks of candy. So If you like Laura ornaments, please consider this set of China ones from the Smet Memorial Society. And you know me, I always love t-shirts, and there's one that has been all over the internet this year from Laura, and it really sprang to stardom because Melissa Gilbert wore one. And they normally don't do shirts through their mail order, but and I don't know why, because they have a lot of t-shirts, but they just don't they seem to think that there'd be too much returns with people not getting the right size and that kind of thing. And this they have it in multiple colors, and it says, "In a world full of Nellies, be a Laura." And they're all pastel colors. There's a couple jewel ones. It's really a broad spectrum of things to pick. And I like to pick unusual colors, which is why I got purple. And this will be making its way into another video of me wearing it soon, I'm sure. And last of all, you know how I love the Mansfield magnet. As I look over to a magnet you can't see off camera that has the 3D elements. Now this one really doesn't 3D out very much, but they're pictures of 3 of the Laura homesites, and I just liked the other one so much, and I thought this looked like it went with it. So we've got the 3rd Street house, the covered wagon, and the Memorial Society. And that's what I got from Smet. My next box is also from Smet, but this one is from the Inglis Homestead. And if you've been to the homestead before, Joan was there full-time this year, so you don't just get to see Ann and Tim, but Joan was out in Ma's house a lot of the time. Sadly, I wouldn't know this personally because I didn't get to go there this year with COVID, but she told me when I ordered this, actually. So what do we have in here? We have, let's see, I think that's it. We have a bundle. And in this bundle, we have my Inglis Homestead luggage tags. Now I got them talked into these because we always get a set when you go to Disney, and I just love mine Disney ones to death, and I thought no Laura site has any luggage tags. So these are great, not just for luggage, but if you've got a bag you always keep your laptop in, or a camera case if you've got a good camera, or anything like that. I really think that you're going to want some luggage tags to put on it. So these are from the Inglis Homestead. The last thing from them is a portrait of the Ingalls Homestead. Now this is one that was one of their plein air event winners, and they now have copies of it for sale in the gift shop, and I have been eyeing it for quite a while, and I'm glad I got one. But do be aware of the size. Just so you can sort of get an idea about how big it is. Because online you really can't tell too well. And that is the Inglis Homestead, which leaves us with our last entry for today, which is one of the many boxes that are still sitting in Des Moines. No. Though this year has been especially bad for the post office. They do have lots of packages waiting. So if you ordered something from one of the home sites, please be patient, because at some point when it comes to holiday shipping, it's just not up to anybody here on earth. Okay, how is this going to open up? Here we go. And this, I don't remember if I said, this last box is from Walnut Grove. And it is actually the same thing as the grand prize from the Share Your Selfie contest that the American Masters program is having right now. And let's see the way in. I guess that's it. Okay. And they have quite a few of these tapestry covers. The ones that are multi-home sites are all one color. There's 2 colors you can pick from on the multi-sites. Some of the single sites also will have a one-color version. Spring Valley does, Pepin does. But Walnut Grove has a single site that is full color. And I think you can see. And I think you'll certainly agree that this is indeed a grand prize. Now, what did you like best of what we saw from the home sites today? Is there something at a home site that you've never bought that you'd love to, or something that you have bought that's your favorite? Please let me know in the comments below. Remember to brighten the corner where you are and to ring the bell and subscribe.